Hello, my name is Elisabeth and I'm from the BOKU University in Vienna, Austria. And I'm very pleased to welcome a colleague and expert in bioeconomy, Martin Kreimel. To go maybe a little bit in detail about bioeconomy, Austria is, the bioeconomy situation is quite well established, more or less in Austria already. What is, in your experience, the current state of the bioeconomy in Austria? What are the main sectors, and what were the main challenges in Austria to motivate to come to this bioeconomy situation and strategy?
Presently, we are having a national action plan. So the national action plan for bioeconomy has been published in November 2022. It includes 8 lighthouse projects. I might be referring to them a little bit later as well, and 114 actions. Some of them have started, some of them are still have to be implemented. None of them has been finished. So there is quite a lot of work ahead of us. And this is how the current situation is. Why has it been in that way? Why has the government decided to set up an action plan? It was, of course, the motivation are the societal challenges ahead of us: climate change, raw material shortage, biodiversity loss, soil degradation. All those things are challenges that could be partly have a solution within the bioeconomy. So bioeconomy as a help and as a main driver to find solutions for these societal challenges, that was, I think, the main motivation behind it. When you ask me about what is the trouble behind, or what are the challenges, how to set up that in Austria, well, I have been participating in developing the Austrian bioeconomy strategy. The strategy has been implemented or been published in April 2019. But we started with the discussion already in 2014. I have been part of the ministry that has been developing this strategy, and we almost have always been several times been finished with the strategy, but then there has been a political change. And because of this political change, it lasted from 2014 to 2019 to officially publish the bioeconomy strategy. I think this is an issue that might not be unfamiliar to other countries as well, especially as there are many ministries involved, like the agriculture ministry, forestry, environment, climate change, mobility, innovation, research. Quite a lot of ministries are involved, and if there is not a common understanding how to work together, then this could be a quite big challenge. And as said, this has been the challenge in Austria, so that the bioeconomy strategy had 5 years time to be published till it was published.